Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. All you gotta do is click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. We shall see what's inside. And you guys could make a purchase today if you guys want to. So here we go. We are back, and now we have here, ooh, voila, coming from my good friends over at Redragon. I've done quite a few videos for them, and now they have here brand new Redragon RM104 Pro Volcano. 3 modes, 104 keys, wired, 2.4 Bluetooth connections, real-time power connection display, Windows, Mac, short keys, 1 toggle. This looks sweet. Look at that. And I like the numbers here. A lot of people don't, but I do. A lot of people like the numbers like normal, but for me it's easier. Really nice. Got the hologram. This thing's a beast. Holy smokes. That's probably one of the cooler keyboards they have. But they got a lot of good stuff from mouse, gaming PCs. So all I gotta do is check them out. A lot of esports things. There's 3 modes right there. Boom, boom, boom. Real time display. Hold on, someone's at my door. Never mind, it was a squirrel. Here we go. 3 modes. So this has it all, guys. So if you're in the market to buy a new keyboard, definitely check these guys out. But like I said, they got other models, so it all depends on what kind of keyboard you like. But like I said, this is my type of keyboard with the numbers on the side. Color don't matter to me, but I do like the black because most of my stuff is black. But I'll be using this probably downstairs on my other computer. There we go, beautiful. Of course, you get the USB. Ooh. And of course, you get the most famous sticker of them all, the Redragon. Boom, 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 boom. And of course, we got a good old manual. Boom. Oh, we got bubble tea, bubble wrap. Oh yeah. Now look at this beauty. It is super lightweight. Fully RGB. It is Bluetooth 2. Really nice mechanical keyboard. Yeah, this is a nice one, guys. We got the flappers. Boom. I always keep them up like that. But yeah, easy to do. Super nice. %, so we got some juice right here. Bluetooth. You gotta have it turned off right there in the middle. USB, you can switch it to Windows or Mac. I got it there. See, boom, easy. It's fully activated. So definitely happy with this one. Like I said, this is probably going to be my main one downstairs, but I don't know if you guys can see the RGBs. It's kind of hard. It's still daylight. Let me see if I could put it somewhere dark. There we go. A little bit better. And I'm sure there's a website to download the drivers if needed. So double check the website and see if there's any drivers down below. I'll leave the website also in the description for you guys. But make sure. But really sweet. Here we go. Yeah, if you hold FN, INS, it changes the style. If you guys can see. There you go. Yeah, I'm definitely going to take this downstairs for Instagram video. But yeah, really nice, comfortable keys for your fingers. You know, back to school's coming fast, so might as well stay ahead of the curve and get yourself one of these. There, got a nice spacer. Great for gaming, so pretty much there you go. Definitely check them out. Link down below. Be safe. Have a good weekend.